Hi guys, I'm Katie Wayne and this is Animalist News Fun Facts. If we hit our head against a tree for a few hours, we'd probably end up with a pretty nasty brain injury. Doesn't feel good, nope. The pileated woodpecker, however, spends an entire day smacking its head into trees with a force of 15 miles per hour and 20 times a second. So how do woodpeckers avoid getting headaches? Form and physical features go hand in hand. Or should I say wing in wing? Using straight as an arrow, head-on strikes, a woodpecker is able to find food, build a nest, or attract a mate. Within 1 millisecond before the beak touches the bark, dense muscles in the neck contract so that the force from the impact doesn't reach the skull. At the same time, a thick inner eyelid closes to keep the eyeballs from popping out due to acceleration and to protect the eyes from pieces of wood bouncing off of the tree. In the skull, scientists found a spongy bone behind the forehead, which may act as a shock absorber for the brain. Unlike human brains, woodpecker brains are tightly confined by muscles, which help keep their brain from banging around. And as if they already didn't have enough protection, the tissue layer on the upper beak is larger than the bottom one, but the bone structure on the lower beak is longer. According to scientists at Beihang University, this is so that impacts can be distributed away from the brain. What's the hardest you've ever hit your head? Be sure to let me know in the comments below, and also be sure to check out these other videos right here and subscribe right here. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.